blessed and my loves, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chantal. Today we're going to unbox this Rev Air highly innovative hair straightener. So I wanted to try this on my daughter's hair because she's very tender-headed. If you're tender-headed, all my tender-headed girls gather here. So I wanted to try this. It comes in this box, so I'm just gonna unbox it and show you all what is inside. So it's my first time trying this. I had to buy this for my family because it's gonna help to, I've heard a lot of good stuff about this, so I intend to see how this is gonna perform. So these are the things that you can see in here. That's the card, and right here it says open me. So there it is. So you have the engine, the motor, and then the part where it sucks your hair in. That's it. There it is. And then I also ordered a bag where I could put I could put it inside and travel with it, like a travel bag. So if you want to travel with that, I can put it inside. So there it is. The back is so strong and so sturdy. It can hold up the entire Rev Air, everything inside. It fits inside with some hair care products as well. There it is. So that's the booklet. It's like the manual where every instruction about how to use this is in here. It gives the instructions on how to prep your hair and different hair textures and how the hair is going to appear the result, and how to assemble everything and mount it. So I'm just going to take the things out like so, and it comes with a cord. And everything is well packaged and very well thought. I'm just taking out these things and putting them aside. I don't know what this is used for. I'm gonna have to check in the manual. So that's I don't know how this one is called, but it's a long stuff that suctions the hair. They also have hair care products that you can buy and wash your hair. It's just so amazing. Maybe next time I'm going to use that to wash your hair. So there it is. I'm going to go ahead and start this tutorial now with using this. So I'm starting off with Amira's hair, freshly washed. I wash her hair using Secrets, that's Beyonce's hair care line. So I already deep conditioned her hair, washed it, and right now I'm just gonna go ahead and use the styling lotion from Beyonce's collection. There it is. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that to moisturize her hair. So I'm just doing this to ensure that I lock in the moisture in her hair, because I don't want her hair to be dry after I straighten it out. And this lotion, it says there that you can either apply it before applying heat onto your hair. So that's why I love it. I'm just going to apply generous amount in 8 sections. I'd like to twist her hair back because her hair tangles a lot. She has very thick, coarse, 4C hair, so I have to do that. So when I'm done, you're going to see me in the next clip. I'm going to cover it with the paper bag. So enjoy the rest of the video, how I straighten her hair.
Daydream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. Don't know it, so I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds much trauma, but try search inside my love. Carried the winds, drummed out the rain. It don't make sense after the pain. Will color me blue, then tickle me pink. 'Cause who knew that
So I finally found a rhythm. So as the candle, I brush, then I put the heater. So that this other section has to be covered so that the water in it does not dissipate. So that's how we do the candle. Candle, and then put it on better now. There you go. I'm gonna add this intense spray a little bit. Do it. And now I can go in now into your hair like this. Okay, baby. So that's how we do it. I'll take a new section, detangle it. This is how I'm gonna get it done. I have to twist it back up and push it.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, 'cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything,
Alright love, so I've come to the end of this video. So if you like videos like this, please be sure to join the family by hitting that subscribe button down below. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all so much for always watching my videos. Overall, I really love this buy. I really love that I was able to add this onto our natural hair care products or items. This is definitely an addition that is going to be very helpful throughout our hair care journey. We're going to be using this all the time. Thank you all so much. As always, love you all and God bless. Bye guys. See you guys in the next one.